Hey everyone, this is Jeff here. I'm going to do a review for you today on a straight razor. Okay, so this is a straight razor from a company called Naked Armor, and this is their Merlin, the Merlin model razor from Naked Armor. Now, I got this razor from a gentleman who has a straight razor. Let me say that again. He has a shaving channel. A shaving channel on YouTube. He seems like a hell of a nice guy, and pretty entertaining actually. He's almost exclusively double edge razors and single edge razors, wet shaving type stuff. He was approached by Naked Armor. Okay, approached by Naked Armor and said, "Hey, would you do a review of our products?" And he said, "Sure." So he went onto their website, looked around, and picked this razor from Naked Armor, and they sent it to him, and he tried it for a couple of days and finally went to do his I think it was a Friday shave, and just to kind of show everybody, all of his followers, what the Naked Armor razor is like. And the video was pretty interesting to me because he did a 3-pass shave with this razor from Naked Armor. 3 passes and almost 0 beard reduction. It was almost like he didn't shave it at all. He had to finish up the shave with a double edge, I think. And as somebody who occasionally watches his videos, somebody who's pretty active in the straight razor community, I watched the video and I thought, I wonder if I could do something to help him out. So I just messaged him and said, send me the razor, and I'll see what I can do and put an edge on it for you. And I'll send it back, no questions asked, no obligations, whatever. It's just me trying to help out somebody in the community. And I guess my thought is, for a guy who's, pretty much exclusively a double edge razor user, to try a straight razor, and his reaction at the end of the shave, I think, was something like, "This just isn't for me," and I don't know if you expect me to be a convert, but double edge razors is his thing, and that's fine. But I just didn't feel like he should have made that decision without having a properly honed razor. So he sent it to me. Okay, he trusted me. He doesn't know me. I don't know him, but he sent it to me at my request for me to try to put an edge on the razor. And I've been wanting to get my hands on a Naked Armor razor because I get bombarded with their marketing all the time on Facebook. Okay, and I've always been sort of curious about their product. So he sent it to me, and I think my suspicions about their product more or less were confirmed as soon as I took a look at it, because everything about this razor is extremely low quality, in my opinion. Okay, this appears to be just stainless steel. The scales are probably plastic. The wedge is probably plastic. The pins are maybe, I don't even know that they're brass, but there's nothing about this razor that says quality to me. Okay, all right. The razor looks pretty cool. I will say that it looks cool, but anyway, so he sent it to me, and I put the razor on my stones and started to try to hone the razor and put a shaving edge on it, and immediately realized that the edge from the factory is not indexed off of the spine. Okay, which is to say that when I went to start honing the razor and sharpening the razor, the angle from the spine to the apex was completely off. Okay, so there's no way from the factory that this razor would shave. Okay, despite the fact that Naked Armor markets their razors as being sharp and shave ready and all this sort of stuff. It's just simply not true. If you're somebody who is thinking of getting into straight razors, if you're a girlfriend or you're a wife of somebody, and you're thinking about buying your husband or your boyfriend a nice gift, and they've expressed interest in straight razors, don't buy them a Naked razor. Don't buy them a Naked Armor razor with the expectation that it's going to come to you ready to shave, because it's not. It's going to come to you more or less a paperweight. Okay, it would have to come to somebody like me who can then put an edge on it. And I was able to put an edge on this razor, just to be completely clear. Okay, how long it'll actually hold that edge after multiple uses is yet to be seen. So anyway, I guess the purpose of the video is this. I guess I just wanted to try to protect unsuspecting customers, whether that's somebody who's interested in getting into straight razor shaving, or somebody who's maybe looking to spend their hard-earned money on their husband or boyfriend and buying them something like this from Naked Armor. I can't recommend that you do that. Okay, Naked Armor, if you're watching this, I don't know how you could charge anybody $120 for this razor and send it to somebody not shave ready. In fact, I don't know how you charge somebody $120 for this. My impression of Naked Armor is that they're 95% marketing and 5% product. Okay, the product just does not stand behind their marketing, and their marketing's pretty bad to begin with. I mean, they're models, right? The people who are modeling their product are people who have full-grown beards and are saying how great the shave is. That makes no sense. They're people who don't know how to hold a straight razor and are like holding it perpendicular to their neck as if they're going to cut themselves. It's ridiculous. There's not one person on their YouTube channel who's effectively using a straight razor and actually reducing or taking hair off of their beard using their product. Okay, I don't know why that's their marketing approach. It makes no sense to me. Naked Armor, I think if you want to stay in business, you probably should change your marketing approach. At least ship out a product, ship out a razor that's shave ready. Okay, at the very least. Okay, eventually it's going to catch up to you. So that's my review. I will be shaving with this razor because I was able to put a shaving edge on it, and I suspect it'll probably shave well. It'll probably shave fine. Okay, so it's not that the razor's not capable. It's just that I don't think that the razor itself is worth the money that they're charging, and that it's going to come to the end user essentially dull. Okay, so I just felt the need for somebody to really come out and tell the truth about the product and the company. So that's just me. Okay, all right. Thanks. Hope that helps out some people. All right, bye.